the determinant. So the determinant, what? Okay, determinant is one, like, it only works with square matrices. So for example, you have a matrix like this. It's a square matrix. To find the determinant, you do this kind of like cross multiplying. 3 times 1 minus 2 times 4. So remember, you first do 3 times 1, then do 2 times 4. So first from left to right, then from right to left. Got it? So for this one, we got 3 minus 8. The determinant of this matrix is minus 5. Okay? So this is the determinant. And we write the determinant as dt. Kind of like, you just read it as determinant, but you write det, okay? So for inverses, what you do is you do 1 over the determinant of that matrix times, okay, let's first say the matrix is A, B, C, D. We swap A and D like this, and you give a negative sign to B and C. It's kind of confusing, but you can remember it. It's just swapping and then negative sign. First, you swap and then you do negatives, okay? So just like that. For example, if you want to find the inverse of, let's say, this matrix, and what you do is you first find a determinant, which is 2 times 8, that is 16, minus 24, that is minus 8. And this part is 1 over minus 8. Times you swap A and D to get 8 to swap them, and then put negative sign to the other two numbers, just like this. And you calculate that, multiplying a whole number and a matrix. You just multiply like this whole number times this whole number times this whole number times this, and this whole number times this. So what you do is 1, that is 8 over minus 8, that is minus 1, minus 4 over minus 8, that is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. Minus 6 divided by minus 8, that is 3 over 4. 2 divided by minus 8, that is minus 1 over 4. And this is the inverse of this. Okay? So inverses means that when the two numbers are multiplied, it gets 1. So in matrices, the 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the kind of like a matrix way of representing 1. Actually, why not? Let's try. Okay, so we want to multiply 2, 4, 6, 8, and minus 1, 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and minus 1 over 4. So remember last time we talked about matrices multiplying? It's the first row, first column. So first row, that is 2, 4, and first column minus 1, 3 over 4. 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2, plus 4 times 3 over 4, that is 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Okay, so this number here is going to be the second row, second column. So, first row, second column. So first row, second column. First row, that is 2 times 1 over 2, that's 2. 4 times 2 times 1 over 2 is 1. 4 times minus 1 over 4, that's minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And for this number here, it's the second row, first column. So second row, first column, minus 6. 6 times 1 is minus 6. 8 times 3 over 4, that is, let me see, 6. So minus 6 plus 6, that's 0. And this number is second row, second column. So 6 over 2, that is 3. 8 over minus 4, that is minus 2. 3 minus 2, it's 1. You see, that is 1. If you want to find this, 1, 2, 6, 4, 5, 9 times 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so you first find the determinant of this number, which is 2 times 8, 16, minus 4 times 6, 24. That is minus 8. So then you find the inverse, which is 1 over minus 8 times first swap, that is 8, 2, and then minus signs, like this. And you do the multiplication to find minus 1. This is 1 over 2. This number is 3 over 4. This number is minus 1 over 4. And then you do this is equal to 1, 2, 6, 4, 5, 9 times, okay, sorry, this is multiply. This is divided by, sorry about that, times minus 1, 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and minus 1 over 4. So, first, the first row, first column. First row, first column. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1 times 6 over 4, that is 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2. And this number will be first row, second column. That is 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2. So that is 0. And this number is second row, first column. That is minus 6 plus 12 over 4. That is 3 minus 6 plus 3. That's minus 3. This number, second row, second column. Second row, second column. That is 6 divided by 2. That is 3. Plus minus 1. That is 2. This number here is third row, first column. That is 6 and 3 over 4. Okay, and plus minus 5. And this is the same thing. You just minus 5 to get this is what you're left with is 1 and 3 over 4. And the last number here is second row, third row, second column. That is 5 over 2 plus minus 9 over 4. 5 over 2 plus minus 9 over 4. And this is 10 over 4 minus 9 over 4. That is 1 over 4. That is the quotient of these two matrices. Okay, so that is the division of matrices. Thank you for watching.